Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living life.
I'm so happy.
Just love.
Let's go.
I've done a mile. Okay, 2 more Ks, and we're done. I'm going to stop. I'm at 4K. I'm tired. I think I'm still proud of myself. 36 minutes. Yay! Maybe next week I'll try 5K, and I'll bring you guys along. I probably can rest and go another mile, another kilometer. Should I not? Okay, we'll do the 1K. Alright, let's try. I'm so tired. I think this pace of 8 minutes is not for me. Somebody ran past me. I can't even see the guy again, but I'm going to run at my pace. Hey guys, I did it! I'm so happy. That last kilometer, I ran it in 8:24. That was the fastest. Oh my god! Wow! I'm so proud of me. I'm so happy. This is, I don't know if this is the fastest. I don't think so. I think I've run 36 before in the UK, but that was like 2 years ago. But don't worry, small by small. But that was so good.
Hey, hi. I want to quickly bake coffee cake. My new puppy.
All the magic go. I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night. Every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure.
A few moments later.
Was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in.
Hi everyone. Today I really don't have much to do. I have a lot of errands to run for my mom. I really would like to redo my cornrows, but I kind of got a wig from my mom. I feel hungry, man. I made yam porridge this morning. I don't know, like I just like to do something in the kitchen, and I love running errands. I think that's why my mommy always sends me on errands. See, this entrepreneurial life has taught me sometimes. Delegate. Doesn't pay to do all these things by yourself. That's the plan. We're talking too much. Let's go.
A little bit of hold up.
It's one of those good vegetables we eat. It's sweet and fried and without
okay, so this is a place in the other biggest city.
This is already better than this. if you can see it, but it's there. Wanafuga. I don't even know how they pronounce it.
I think I might see the outside.
I think if you watch it.
You know, but like, shall I show like this? With nothing in my hand.
Yeah, that's the logo. The spoon.
The spoons are farthest from me.
The spoons are
Yes, that's me farthest from me.
I say.
My lips are short as heck.
You saw her.
Three.
Not sure I need to see 3 of your cards.
Why don't you?
I need to see 3, if not all.
My love, it doesn't make any sense.
It makes perfect sense.
Send that shit. No, leave it. Let's do it like that. Let's do it.
Reshuffle your card. Reshuffle this thing.
Show us 3 cards.
Draw 3 cards.
Why?
Review your card.
No, let's do AR. Let's do AR.
Our cards are not even complete.
Settle. Let us see 3 cards. No, let's